guys, today's video is types of fan pages and was requested by Milky Milk Cyrus. Her page is linked in description. Also, this video is kind of long, so if you want to skip to one specific type, the timestamps are also mentioned in the description box. The first type is basic pages. I'll come straight to it. There are just too many of these and I don't even know if examples are required. These are the pages that post plain unfiltered pictures of their idol daily. They could be really popular pictures or rares of that celebrity. If you're someone who doesn't have too much time but still wants to run a fan account, you should definitely try this. Now I'm so sure you've already seen loads of these pages, but here are a few examples. You can visit these pages, all links in description. Whatever I have used as examples are given in the description box. Now the second type is video edits pages. These are the pages that post only video edits and I honestly love them. If you are good at video edits and editing in general and have a lot of time on your hands, you should go for this. If you're not a video edits page and still want to post some once in a while, you can post them as Instagram reels or you can post them in between. Not too much, but yeah. The third type is photo edits. Photo edits are of two types, simple and complex. Simple ones are the ones that are really easy to make, so if you're not that creative and good at editing, you can go for these. You can do these edits in themes or it's fine without themes too. And complex edits are the ones that require more time, patience and effort. Coming up with something new with every post is a challenge. So if you're really creative and have a knack for aesthetics, you should go for this. Again, themes aren't compulsory, but they look good, like I do them too. The fourth type is concept pages. I love this type so much. Basically, there is just a thought in your head which is very unique and personal, and you put that in your post. Like, not everyone comes up with that kind of idea. These pages have literally zero restrictions. You'll understand better if you visit the accounts that are shown in example. So again, link in description. The fifth type is fact pages. Literally anyone can run a fact page because the only requirement is knowing your celebrity. These pages are really informative and I don't really have much to explain here because it's just facts about your idol. The sixth type is update pages. These pages post any new updates of their idol or even new controversial and popular threads about them or any new projects they might have hinted. If you're a spontaneous and a quick thinker, then this might just be for you. Seventh is meme pages. I think this is pretty much self-explanatory, but meme pages post original or unoriginal memes or funny Twitter threads about their idols. So yeah. The eighth type is art pages. Now, art pages are where talented art enthusiasts find a platform to show their love to their idol in the way of art and drawings. Art isn't really everyone's cup of tea, so only the people who think they're good at art should go for it, but there's no harm in sharing fan art once in a while on all other types of pages, so yeah. Ninth and last type is outfit pages. So these are basically outfit related updates. What you do is search and find what product or what brand is your idol wearing from head to toe. For example, Miley Cyrus spotted wearing black leather boots from Gucci priced at $1,000. Just an example. You kind of have to do the same with every piece of clothing your idol is wearing, right from hat to shoes. This requires a lot. I repeat, a lot of research. So you might want to go for this only if you have an eye for the slightest details and the patience to surf the net and find the exact products from the exact brand. And this is pretty much it. I hope everyone watching this could find something that they want to focus on. Again, all pages used as examples are linked in the description box. You can DM me for requests on my socials, also linked in description. And yeah, thanks for watching.